Bitcoin was not the first attempt at creating a digital currency. That is, a currency that has no physical form. A currency that only exists as ones and zeros on thousands of computers around the globe. But it is the first to solve the greatest problem all its predecessors failed to do. And that is what we're going to discuss right after this. If you're watching this video for the first time, you're probably new to the channel and to cryptocurrencies in general. I encourage you to subscribe now and hit the notifications bell so you'll be notified when new videos are uploaded. There are many characteristics that make Bitcoin unique, but today we're going to focus on one, the biggest one. By the end of this video, you will understand the problem Bitcoin was able to solve that all previous attempts at creating a viable digital currency failed to do, and that was the double spend problem. We're old enough to remember when film cameras became affordable for everyday people. We loaded our cameras with film, took our shots, and sent the film out to be processed. And after several days, we were able to finally look at and share images with friends and family that we physically held in our hands. We often had duplicates made, and we mailed them off to relatives in faraway places, often taking days or even weeks to get to their destinations. Since the day the computer was invented, the race to digitize everything began, and its participants are getting faster every year. The first digital camera was invented in 1975. It weighed 8 pounds and stored the digital images it took on cassette tape. Within 15 years, low-cost digital cameras were commercially available for the masses. Not only was the cost of taking a photo more affordable than ever, the cost to create duplicates was nearly zero, and they could be sent all around the globe in very little time. Now imagine if those digital photos were digital currency instead. You wouldn't want to own a currency that someone just copied thousands of times before they gave it to you. Such a currency wouldn't hold any value if you could just copy and spend the same currency over and over again. The anonymous inventors of Bitcoin, who are known by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, were able to use some very clever math known as cryptography to prevent people from being able to just copy the digital currency they owned. Thousands of computers around the world communicate on the Bitcoin network, validating that each and every Bitcoin being spent was not transferred to more than one person at a time, and tossing out any that try to do so. These computers that cannot be controlled by any government can go offline and come back online as they please and still have a record of every Bitcoin transaction ever conducted to prevent nefarious people from double spending the digital currency. And that is why Bitcoin is so special. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will be uploading new content on a regular basis. You won't want to miss a single episode, so I encourage you to subscribe now, like and share this video with your friends and family, and click on the notifications bell so you'll get an alert when new videos are uploaded. And please comment below, and also suggest topics you would like to see covered by this channel. And I hope to see you soon.